Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to have to do with payment posting. We're going to keep it real quick, short, and to the point. I always just ask that if you enjoy the job leads that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, this job lead is from a company called Together Work. They are a smaller company. They only have 36 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees. So always do your own research on any company before giving them your personal information. They have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a customer support specialist for their payment processing. This is going to be remote for the United States only. Now, during the first round of interviews, they'll discuss a written assessment. You will have to do a written assessment as part of the interview process for this job. So just know that going in. It is a full-time position where you're going to be assisting with companies and their customers with questions and concerns related to payment processing. So you're going to provide timely assistance on payment related questions through Zendesk tickets, email, and phone. You're going to prioritize these requests based on urgency and retain ownership of requests, giving updates until you've completely resolved the request. So you advise and educate customers on best practices and proper configurations for optimal results. Just making sure their whole payment posting and payment processing experience is complete. So you're going to help them with like hardware configurations and things like that. So Together Work provides software as a service or software as a solution for payments and payment processing. So they will have like software that customers subscribe to process online payments or different kind of payments. So you're basically going to help be the tech support for the software, as well as any other questions related to getting the payments processed that the customers have. Now, the thing is, they don't require any kind of college degree as long as you have 2 years of experience in some kind of software support or help desk role. Otherwise, they'll accept an associate's degree over any experience. You do have to have a basic understanding of how to work the internet and Microsoft Office computer systems. Someone who has great communication skills, great problem solving skills, and somebody who can multitask. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $40,000 a year all the way up to $45,000 a year. And they do offer a standard benefit package. Of course, they offer other benefits that are not standard, like pet insurance and infertility benefits. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.